This is an example of a contingency map, and we might use this with a student who needs to visually see the consequences of different choices that they might make. So we would come up with a situation that we wanted to talk about. This one might be that someone was using the toy that this student wanted, and we would have this conversation with the student. We're not telling them what they should do, but we're trying to help them come up with the answers. So we might even start with what it is that they wanted. So they wanted to play with the toy. And instead, what happened was they didn't get the toy. So we might start with what actually happened, and someone was using the toy. So maybe they hit or they grabbed, and then that made other people feel really sad or angry. And we could use, little drawings if we need to. And then we would talk about what we could do instead so that we actually get to play with the toy. Well, we might ask the friend, or we might ask a teacher. And then that would make people feel really happy, and I would be happy, and then I would actually get to play with the toy. And then we might want to act out the different scenarios. So do a little bit of role play and have them understand the different contingencies that would happen based on the different choices.